At the start of this hearing, I'm pleased to welcome members of the public.
I recognize that the speed with which we moved in this case has caused great frustration, legitimate questions, and concern. We could have done a better job, of keeping you informed. But I urge you to remember two things. This was an extraordinary situation. This prisoner exchange was done legally. It was substantial mitigation of risk to our country and in the national interests of this country. Like we've been fighting in Afghanistan for 13 years. We received a warning from the Qatari intermediaries that as we proceeded, time was not on our side, and sometimes unpleasant choices. Based on the best information we have, we believe this exchange was our last, best opportunity to free him. After the exchange was set in motion, only 96 hours passed before Sergeant Bergdahl was in our hands. Throughout this period, there was great uncertainty about whether the deal would go forward. Opportunity to make this statement. I look forward to your questions.
The transfer is a clear violation of Section 1035 of the National Defense Authorization Act. The detainee transfer raises numerous national security policy and legal questions. The explanations we received from the White House officials at a House-wide briefing earlier this week were misleading and at times blatantly false.
Mr. Secretary, you keep saying we can't get the facts from Sergeant Bergdahl until he returns home. Have you ever thought about going to Landstuhl and talking to him there?
This isn't just about a physical situation, Congressman. This guy was held for almost 5 years in God knows what kind of condition. This is not just about can he get on his feet and walk and get to a plane. The medical professionals that we rely on their judgment for his health have made the determination and will make the determination that when he is ready to move to the next step, which will most likely be in San Antonio, then we can proceed.
There are limits to trades that we would make and some where we draw the line.